The war was over, but the race for the future had only just begun. As Berlin fell in 1945, the Allies swept into Germany, not just for surrender, but for secrets. Secrets hidden in lab notebooks, rocket blueprints, and minds trained for war. At the heart lay Operation Paperclip, a mission cloaked in silence, shaped by desperation, and aimed right at the dawn of the atomic age. Imagine Nazi scientists, some with direct ties to Hitler's regime, suddenly courted by American agents, not to stand trial, but to build a new world. More than 1,600 engineers, chemists, and physicists, handpicked from the ruins of the Third Reich. Names scrubbed of their past to fit a new narrative. Most famous among them, Wernher von Braun, the visionary behind the dreaded V-2 rocket, once launched at London, now destined for the stars. Von Braun, flanked by his team, whisked away from Germany to small towns in Texas and New Mexico. Their design secrets traded for freedom. But who were these men, really? Walter Dornberger, mastermind of missile projects that bombarded Europe. Hubertus Strughold, the father of space medicine, whose research began with chilling experiments on prisoners. United States intelligence knew their records, falsified papers, hidden affiliations. Yet the Cold War urgency made uncomfortable partners of yesterday's enemies. These scientists landed at Fort Bliss and White Sands Proving Grounds, remote, sun-beaten places where patriotism and past sins blurred. They arrived in the dead of night, dressed in civilian clothes, carrying only suitcases, speaking code names to avoid the press. Their orders: unlock Germany's wartime secrets, rocketry, jet propulsion, nerve gas, and hand the West an edge before the Soviets claimed the same prizes. Because in the East, the Soviets had their own program, Operation Osoaviakhim, abducting hundreds of German experts and equipment bound for Moscow. Scientific talent became war booty, ideas the new front line. Paperclip scientists rebuilt their lives under U.S. government contracts, awarded suburban homes and new citizenships. The past was sealed, classified, inconvenient, but never forgotten. They worked on Redstone missiles, the precursors to intercontinental ballistic missiles that would one day balance the world on a hair trigger. They built the Saturn V rocket, the same colossus that blasted Apollo astronauts to the moon. Achievements impossible without knowledge first sharpened for destruction. But the ethical questions loomed. Could a nation born in liberty make silent bargains with those tied to totalitarian crimes? What would you have chosen? Justice or the race for supremacy? And how many secrets still lie buried, waiting for a new age to dig them up? Stay curious, because even victory changes shape in the shadows of history.